So today, it's rock pick day, and here we have 12 kg of stones from Gemstone Beach. My rock buddy Angie is coming down, and we are going to do a rock pick. She's on her way, so I can't wait. It's all ready, Angie? Cool, see you soon.
12 kilos of stones to send you and Ange. Now I just need to figure out how to get them picked up by that courier.
Okay, Angie. First pick, over
First pick. Oh, yeah.
First pick, go on!
Oh, hell. Blimey. I think
Yeah.
I quite like that one.
Yeah.
I hope it tumbles alright.
It looks very interesting.
It's a sandstone, eh?
Yeah.
Sediment. Looks really cool. Right.
Yeah, I think that's really nice. And I did think I liked that one under there.
Yeah.
I like that black line.
Yeah, that was my second choice
Yeah.
as well. Yep.
Right.
Well, we're away.
We're away. We're hunting on Gemstone Beach here.
In Hawke's Bay. That is just amazing. Look at that.
That's divine. That will polish well. You have to watch the chippiness in the little
Yeah, in the veins.
but
tumble it with some like-minded
well,
stones.
I think I might have to go for that. I've tumbled this before.
Oh yeah.
And they do tumble really nice.
Yep. I like those ones with those patches of that stuff in them.
Gosh.
This is just amazing.
I hope you had a cat course to help you haul all these up, Chrissy. Wow.
There's just so many beautiful stones.
I know.
It's like, oh my gosh, I do like those red ones as well. Oh, I like that one.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
You're a good picker, Chrissy.
I like that.
I'll take that one.
Right. I like that. I quite like that one, actually, I think. I think I might pick that one.
Actually, I should have brought that fossily type one I tumbled. It's got crystal in the centre of it. It's quite weird. I put it up on the Facebook page the other day. I quite like that. The wee lines.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
It's a real ripper, that one.
It's a ripper. Oh, pick me!
Pick me!
Pick me!
Pick me! Come on!
He said pick me! Hang on. Yeah, I like that. It's got a lot of detail in it.
Yeah.
Right. Oh.
Sort of like this one. That.
They tumble nice.
Yeah.
That's a small version of...
Oh,
and I
your
did
other one there.
try under here.
Yo.
Just a little wee... Oh.
Spot of coolness in it.
I like
Turn it
that.
over.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
Check that out. Great stuff.
Wow. Oh, I like that.
Oh. Oh, that... Oh, nice.
That's a nice one.
Pick me!
They're all screaming.
They are.
They just go like that.
You could. I mean, that, actually.
It's quite cool as
It's
well.
quite rough, but
Put
pretty
it in
cool.
that 80 grit for a couple of weeks and she'll be mint.
She will. Wow.
Wow. So many pretty stones. Oh. It's got little specks in it. Cool. Bits are good.
Oh, and I think that's your breakfast coming.
Goodness me, really?
Oh. Oh, that's
my
nice.
God, this is
Add
fancy.
salt and pepper. You can put on yourself if you want. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, I think that's kind of like a little trace
Do you
fossil.
want anything like relish or anything?
Oh my goodness, and look at that! She's got breakfast!
Anything else?
No, that's all good. Thank you.
Okay, we might take a break for breakfast. What's she gonna pack now?
Look at that.
Yeah, that is really nice. I'd like to know what they call that.
Oh, John's been doing things on holes in rocks lately. But,
oh, I quite like that. Those are pretty.
I think I'll grab it now.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It's got some silvery bits in the...
Yeah.
They're really weird.
Nice. Pick me. Oh, quite like that one.
Pick me.
This one here has got a lot of, he's a little bit rough, but he's got lots of colour in him.
Seen a whitey. Oh, it's a lot of glassy bits in it too.
Yeah.
Got that.
Focus camera. Yeah, nice.
It's a nice shape too.
So, oh, here we are. There's one hiding out on the side there. Nice.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Look,
Bits
the red
in
in there.
It's got bits in it.
It's got cool bits in it. Very fractured, so that would have been like smashed apart, and then it's joined together with all like your epidote and your quartz. That's really cool.
Nice.
Oh.
It's pretty. God, there's so many pretties. I quite like that because it's got quite a nice line around it.
Band on it, yeah.
Wow. And look, there's still a whole pile more in there. Holy moly.
That's quite interesting.
I quite think I like this one because it's so dark.
That's nice. It's got a lot of red in it.
It is. Nice. Oh, I like that little pretty one. Pretty. Oh, we're getting a bit of a pile in there now.
Eggs are down.
And those eggs even came from your place.
Oh, spoiled. I get to eat my own eggs.
You get to eat your own eggs.
It's got nice little bit lines around it.
Like that. This is, you just look at them and they're just hiding little bits of treasure.
Oh, I recognise that colour.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh yeah.
Pretty.
Pretty. Oh, that little one in there. It's just got a nice little bit of quartzy.
Now, I can see a trace fossil.
Oh, yes.
There's another one of those splotchy ones.
So isn't it funny when you look at our barrels, greens, reds. And funny when we were on the beach, that's kind of how it went, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice bands on that
Oh,
one.
nice bands. Now I did just spy this over here, and I quite like these ones. I've tumbled a few.
I do like the red and the green. Look at that.
Oh yeah, nice.
Look at that. That is awesome. Look at the bands. Those two bands run right the way around. That's pretty.
Pretty.
Pretty, pretty.
Right. So let's see. Oh, I like that. That's a nice palm stone. Right. So we might just zoom through this lot.
Yep.
We've got a few more bags there. Oh. And, oh wow, look at that. Chrissy, you do a great job. You're amazing.